So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to make a pizza. So in this recipe, I'm going to use what do we have here? I'm going to use some Italian. It's a mix of onion. It's a mix of tomatoes. It's tomato paste. I'm trying to say tomato paste. So I have here onion rings and sliced tomatoes, and I just fried some corn. That's all of these ingredients I'm going to assemble in this pizza. And again, I have Parmesan cheese. So to top it up, I'm gonna use a Parmesan cheese. So let's see how it goes. Let me assemble and show you how it's gonna look like. So the first thing, I've layered it with the tomatoes. What do we call these tomatoes? Keep on forgetting the name. It's a tomato paste. It has some chilies. So that is the first layer. A layer of cheese. Just sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Then put the onions there. Onions, tomatoes, onions. Yeah. So yesterday I had some boiled chicken and kept it in the fridge, so I'm gonna just place some of it, sprinkle them here. So it's gonna be chicken pizza. I know it's some big pieces, but I'll manage it. Spread it all over the pizza. Ooh, this one looks like it has some take that thing out. Yeah, one of them had, I didn't take out the bone, so the bones were still present. So after this, I just sprinkle some more. Just add corn. I just roasted some corn. Remember, this is just a homemade pizza. It's not a professional pizza. It's just some things I love to try out, see how it will pan out. So this is it. I'm gonna put it straight in the oven. So that's it, in the oven. So in the end, I got something like this, looking nice. Wanna taste it? So that's it. We got 4 pieces of pizza, looking nice. Chicken pizza. Let's see.